Do you know where are the main areas to soundproof your car using Dr Artex, Skyline Series? Watch the video until the end. Main positions for sound and vibro insulation. First, car wheel arches soundproofing. We installed Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper, to wheel arches to insulate tire running noise coming into the car. Second area is, car engine hood, bonnet, soundproofing. We installed Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper, to engine hood to reduce the engine vibration. Third area for soundproof installation is, for car doors soundproofing. We install 4 layers of materials on car doors to reduce noises from door vibration, outside traffic noise and tire running noise. Audio sound performance will also improve after this door soundproofing. First layer, Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper. Second layer, Dr Artex Integra, noise insulator. Third layer, Dr Artex Lace, noise absorber. Fourth layer, Dr Artex Redwind, sealer. Fourth area for car soundproof is car floor soundproofing. We installed 2 layers of materials for floor. Front floor, to reduce vibration from wheel arches and floor. Also, to reduce 500 Hz and above high-frequency noises from floor. Rear floor, to reduce vibration from floor and to reduce 500 Hz and above high-frequency noises from floor. Front floor. First layer, Dr Artex Armor, vibration damper. Second layer, Dr Artex Integra, noise insulator. Rear floor. First layer, Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper. Second layer, Dr Artex Integra, noise insulator. Fifth area, car trunk soundproofing. We installed 2 layers of materials on car trunk to reduce vibration and noise from exhaust. Rattling noise caused by spare tire or tools box also can eliminate it after trunk soundproofing. First layer, Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper. Second layer, Dr Artex Integra, noise insulator. Sixth area, car roof soundproofing. We installed 2 layers of materials on car roof to reduce raindrop noise from roof and insulate heat from roof. First layer, Dr Artex Pallium, vibration damper. Second layer, Dr Artex Baffle Plus, noise insulator. Dr Artex Skyline materials are most suitable for EV and sport car as the weight is 33% lighter than normal materials. Enjoy lifetime warranty, until you sell your car, or your car is scraped, for all Dr Artex Skyline materials. Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.